Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to compare Motorola Edge 30 Fusion versus Motorola Edge 30 Pro with full specifications like display, design, performance, AnTuTu benchmarks, and price. And are going to know which is the best smartphone for you. So friends, please watch the entire video and let us know your thoughts in the comments section. Let's start with a display comparison. In a comparison of screen size, Motorola Edge 30 Fusion has a 6.55 inches screen, while the Motorola Edge 30 Pro has a 6.7 inches screen. If you look at the display type, Motorola Edge 30 Fusion comes with Oled display, while the Motorola Edge 30 Pro comes with a Amoled display. In the resolution, both phones comes with a Full HD Plus resolution. Motorola Edge 30 Fusion has a 402 pixels density, while the Motorola Edge 30 Pro has 393 pixels. In the aspect ratio, both the phones are equally comes with a 20:9 ratio. In a comparison of screen to body ratio, Motorola Edge 30 Fusion has 90.9% and Motorola Edge 30 Pro has 88.5%. In a refresh rate comparison, both phones supports up to 144Hz higher refresh rate. Motorola Edge 30 Fusion comes with Gorilla Glass 5 display protection, while the Motorola Edge 30 Pro comes with Gorilla Glass 3 protection. Friends, let's make a design comparison between these two phones. Looking at these two phones' physical height, Motorola Edge 30 Fusion has 158.5 mm, while the Motorola Edge 30 Pro has 163.1 mm. Motorola Edge 30 Fusion has 72 mm in the width, while the Motorola Edge 30 Pro has 76 mm width. Motorola Edge 30 Fusion has 7.45 mm in the thickness, while the Motorola Edge 30 Pro has 8.8 mm. Looking at these two phones' weight, Motorola Edge 30 Fusion has 175 grams, while the Motorola Edge 30 Pro has 196 grams. If you look at the colors of these two phones, Motorola Edge 30 Fusion comes with two different colors, and the Motorola Edge 30 Pro also comes with two different colors. Friends, now let us compare about the camera and its features. Motorola Edge 30 Fusion has a triple camera setup, including a 50 megapixels primary lens with OIS support, a 13 megapixels ultra-wide camera, and a 2 megapixels depth camera. And the Motorola Edge 30 Pro also has a triple camera setup, including a 50 megapixels primary lens with OIS support, a 50 megapixels ultra-wide camera, and a 2 megapixels depth camera. If you look at the video resolution of these phones, Motorola Edge 30 Fusion supports up to 4K resolution at 30 fps, while the Motorola Edge 30 Pro supports up to 8K resolution at 24 fps. In a comparison of front camera, Motorola Edge 30 Fusion comes with a 32 megapixels selfie camera, with a 4K video resolution at 30 fps. While the Motorola Edge 30 Pro comes with a 60 megapixels selfie camera, with a 4K video resolution at 60 fps. Now let's compare the hardware between these two phones. Looking at the processor of both phones, Motorola Edge 30 Fusion powered by a Snapdragon 888 Plus chipset, whereas the Motorola Edge 30 Pro powered by a Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset. In a CPU comparison, Motorola Edge 30 Fusion supports up to octa-core 3.0 GHz clock speed, and the Motorola Edge 30 Pro also supports up to octa-core 3.0 GHz clock speed. In the GPU comparison, Motorola Edge 30 Fusion comes with an Adreno 660 GPU, and the Motorola Edge 30 Pro also comes with an Adreno 730 GPU. Let's compare the operating system. Motorola Edge 30 Fusion comes with a stock Android-based Android 12 operating system, and the Motorola Edge 30 Pro also comes with stock Android-based Android 12 operating system. Friends, let's compare the storage between these two phones. Motorola Edge 30 Fusion comes in a single variant, 8GB RAM with 128GB storage. And the Motorola Edge 30 Pro also comes in a single variant, 8GB RAM with 128GB storage. Both these phones does not comes with the memory card slot. Friends, let's compare the battery between these two phones. The battery capacity in Motorola Edge 30 Fusion has 4400 mAh, and in the Motorola Edge 30 Pro has 4800 mAh. Motorola Edge 30 Fusion supports 68 watts fast charge, and the Motorola Edge 30 Pro also supports 68 watts fast charge. Now let's compare the rest of the connectivity and features in these phones. Both these phones comes with an USB Type-C port. Both these phones doesn't have a 3.5mm audio jack. Both these phones comes with a NFC support. Both these phones doesn't have an IR blaster. Both these phones supports 5G network. Both these phones comes with an under-display fingerprint sensor. Both these phones comes with a Bluetooth 5.2 version. Friends, let's take a look on the benchmark score of these two phones. In an AnTuTu benchmark score comparison, Motorola Edge 30 Fusion has scored 850,308, while the Motorola Edge 30 Pro has scored 974,272. Now let's compare price. If you look at the Motorola Edge 30 Fusion, the 8GB 128GB variant is priced at 39,999 rupees. Motorola Edge 30 Pro, the 8GB 128GB variant is priced at 39,999 rupees. Friends, please like this video and subscribe my channel for more smartphone comparison videos.